Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I am going to make marinara sauce, spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce. I don't care what you want to call it. Very, very simple. You don't need to make this complicated. I'm using my garden tomatoes that I can. Some good brands are San Marzano's, a good plum, but mine are paste, but they are delicious. So it all depends on how good your tomato is, and that will get you the acidity, high, low, that type of thing. Also, you don't really want your sauce watery, so as you make this, you want less water, of course, cook it down. Okay, so I'm gonna get my pot going. So my pot's heating up. Finally got my stove, the right temps. I had to have a guy come in. Check all that. All right. Your favorite friend is your olive oil. I'm going to cover the entire bottom with olive oil. And you may think that's a lot. We're going to put in, I'm not making a big, huge pot. So when I was cutting up the onion, I have half of an onion, only because the original onion was really big. I'm gonna wait till that gets hot. So I chopped that up already. Now we just want them translucent, almost caramelize them, okay? You don't want to bite into a hard onion in your sauce. I mean, you can, but I don't think anybody wants to do that. And you don't put the garlic in right away. No. When you put the garlic in and you start to smell it, that's when you throw in the tomatoes. If I put the garlic in now and I'm trying to slowly cook my onions, even though it'll smell great in my house, it won't taste good because I'm losing all that aroma into the air and my clothes and not into the tomatoes. Also, garlic burns very easy. Once you burn your garlic, you're done. You gotta start fresh. So we're getting here. See? You can almost see through some of them. So when I stir it, I kind of press on them. They feel really hard. I do it a little bit more. Let me also say something about olive oil. Olive oil is not cheap. I mean, you can get cheap olive oil. But since you use a lot of olive oil in this, and Italians use a lot of olive oil, you need to have good tasting olive oil. It's got to be really good. So I suggest, there are some places that let you taste it first. I forgot the name of the store. They have olive oils and vinegars. I love those stores. Find yourself a good olive oil. If it's an olive oil where you can dip it with bread in that, to me, that's an olive oil you want to cook with. Just like if you have a recipe that wants wine, if you'll drink the wine, you'll want to cook with it. Yep, Maggie heard something back there. Okay, we're almost there. Now I don't want them, I'm not frying them. Oh, it smells, just this smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in. Probably about 3 cloves worth. 2 cloves. You want more garlic? More garlic. Now, I like these. I'm out of fresh garlic, so I really like these, but otherwise I like the fresh garlic. Now, as soon as I smell that garlic, after being heated up, I'm pouring in my tomatoes. because when they reach a certain temperature, like 250 or something, that's when you want to get the tomatoes in there. So now I can smell it. In goes the tomatoes. So I've got my jarred tomatoes. And if you pour on a spoon, it doesn't splash. I don't know if you knew that. I'm going to put one more in because I really want to cook this down. Bit of something there, and you see the olive oil on top? That'll all cook in. Okay. I have dried basil from my garden last year. Fresh is best, but I don't have any, so that's why I grow it and I do dried. Okay, that's probably good enough. Now you can put oregano in here. Then it would taste more like pizza sauce though. Okay. Pepper. Actually, quite a bit of salt, and I'm not kidding. A little bit more. All right. Now I'm going to let this cook and cook and cook for at least an hour. And then I'm going to check how thick it is. Okay, I don't want to taste it yet because it's probably watery. So I'll bring you back in an hour. It smells great. So let's stir this. It's getting there. It's reducing. I just would like it thicker. To me, this is very watery. I don't want it watery. Let's taste it though. Be careful so I don't burn myself. It's hot. Delicious. Okay, I want less watery, so I'm gonna let it cook some more. Okay, so my sauce is technically done. I made meatballs the other day. So I'm gonna put them in here. What I plan on eating tonight, not me, but Russ and I. 3, 4, oops, 5, 6. I guess I'll eat about 3. I'm just gonna reheat them in the sauce. Make my noodles and it'll be time to eat. It's all right. Thanks for watching. This was very simple. I want you to try it. Don't be afraid. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, go get canned. I didn't put paste in it, tomato paste, because I'm cooking it down, but feel free to put tomato paste in it if you don't want to wait that long. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.